Bonjour tout le monde. Hello everybody. This is for French 1, period 257. I'm showing you the screen of period 2. This is instructions for the quiz. Here you are at your Google home screen. Here is your classwork. We go to the top, which is weekly assignments. Down below is the other sections of material. We want weekly assignments. Assignment 6, quiz 1 speaking. I want to show you the vocaroo steps. So this is how to make a recording. You will pick pages 4 or 5, pick either pair of pages, slide 1 or slide 2, and then you will do vocaroo. I will show you the Google Slides. Here it is. Pardon, instructions. Voila. Here's Google Slides. I will pick this page. I will make a voice recording of all the French on these 2 pages. You can skip the yellow box. I'm reading you the instructions on the screen here. You can skip the yellow box. Here's an example to help you practice, and that's a voice recording I made with vocaroo. And so that's what we're going to make right now. You can listen to my voice recording to help you practice, to help you hear this. Bonjour, mademoiselle. So let's go make a voice recording. Voila. I have vocaroo ready. You go to vocaroo and you get a recording button. I'm going to start a new recording. Bonjour, I make my new recording. Bonjour, mademoiselle. Bonjour, monsieur et madame. Lucas, c'est ma copine, elle est canadienne. And I keep going, all the French on the screen. Stop recording. Now I'm back in vocaroo. Save and share is the button that I want. And here is the link. This is the link that I want. That is what you turn into Google Class. So you don't need to highlight it if you don't want to. I can say copy, the little button. That is a copy button for copy paste. Copy the link. The window tells me copied link to clipboard. I go back to Google Class. Je retourne. I'm looking at Google Slides. I go back to my assignment. I simply write it right here. That says class comments. Class comments is to all of you. I don't want it there in class comments. You put it in your assignment. So I will just go to the student work. I'll go to the first one that I see, which is Olivia. And Olivia, if this were her recording, could put it right here in the right side of the screen, which is called private comments. That's for comments between the teacher and the student about the assignment. And so she can put it right there and I will see it. No files attached, that is fine. She's not attaching a Google Doc or a Google Slide. Turn it in. This button says post, which is to post the comment. I will tell her, Olivia, that is a sample from Mr. Curran. Well, she knows that it's from me. That is a sample from me. Okay, so that is for posting the comment. You do the same thing, but you also say turn it in. I will get it and give you the grade. Go back to the instructions, see if you need anything else here. You read the instructions. I just showed you how to make a vocaroo recording and how to add the link to your Google assignment. You can also make your video recording on your phone. Thank you for doing your quiz.